Assalomu alaykum barchaga. Bugun sizlar bilan yana lug'at darsini davom etamiz va bugungi mavzuyimiz free time, bo'sh vaqt, hobbies, hobbilar, ya'ni sevimli mashg'ulotlar va interest, qiziqishlar. Demak, mana shu mavzularga oid yana yangi so'zlarni o'rganamiz. Demak, darsimizni boshladik. Word number 1 is do it yourself. Also known as DIY, the activity of doing or making something without any support or assistance. Birinchi so'zimiz do it yourself, ya'ni mustaqil qilish uchun mo'ljallangan. Bu so'z DIY shaklida qisqartirilishi ham mumkin, ya'ni hech kimning yordamisiz har kim o'zi qilsa bo'ladigan, mustaqil qilishga mo'ljallangan biror narsa. A do-it-yourself kit for building a radio qurish uchun mustaqil qo'llanma. A do-it-yourself book, mustaqil o'qish uchun kitob. Word number 2, barely, scarcely, hardly. Ikkinchi so'zimiz ba'zo'r, zo'rg'a, qiynalib degan ma'noni anglatadi. Tom hurt his leg and can barely walk. Tom oyog'ini jarohatlab oldi va u zo'rg'a yuradi. They barely had time to rescue the children from the burning apartment. Ular bolalarni yonayotgan binodan qutqarishga bazo'r ulgurishdi. Word number 3, fast-paced. Moving or happening very quickly, very busy. Uchinchi so'zimiz tez sur'atda, gavjum degan ma'noni anglatadi. The show is very fast-paced and the talent is outstanding. Show judayam tez sur'atda va mahoratlar ajoyib. Our shop is very fast-paced and we require someone who can work well in the fast-paced environment. Bizning do'konimiz juda gavjum va bizga shunday gavjum muhitda ishlay oladigan odam kerak. Word number 4, on cloud 9, to be extremely happy. To'rtinchi so'zimiz bu xuddi o'zbek tilida 7-chi osmonda deb ishlatadigan iboramiz bor-ku, shunga o'xshash, lekin inglizlarda bu 9-chi osmonda deb aytilar ekan. Judayam baxtli, xursand degan ma'noni anglatadi. Every time he calls me a scientist, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. U har doim meni olim yoki oliman deb chaqirganida men o'zimni 9-chi osmondagidek his qilaman. I'm on cloud 9 in my new car. Men o'zimning yangi mashinamda o'zimni 9-chi osmondagidek his qilaman. Word number 5, sedentary, of a person or lifestyle tending to spend a lot of time sitting down and little physical exercise. Beshinchi so'zimiz kam harakat, o'tiroq degan ma'noni anglatadi. People who have a sedentary lifestyle are not very active. O'tiroq turmush tarzini kechiruvchi odamlar uncha faol bo'lishmaydi. Tom's computer programming job kept him sedentary for the most of the day. Tomning kompyuter dasturlash ishi uni kun davomida kam harakat qilib qo'ydi. Word number 6, every so often, from time to time. They mean occasionally, sometimes. Oltinchi so'zimiz gohida, ba'zida degan ma'noni anglatadi. I meet him at the club every so often. Men uni gohida klubda uchratib turaman. Every so often he treats himself a meal in an expensive restaurant. Gohida u o'zini qimmat restoranda taom bilan siylaydi. Word number 7, as a rule, which means usually but not always. Yettinchi so'zimiz odatda, qoidaga ko'ra degan ma'noni anglatadi, ya'ni odat bo'yicha shunday qilinadi-yu, lekin har doim emas. As a rule, we go shopping on Friday nights. Odatda biz juma kuni kechqurun xarid qilishga boramiz. As a rule, my mom gets up at 6 o'clock, but yesterday morning she got up at 8. Odatda oyim soat 6da turadi, lekin kecha ertalab u 8da turdi. Word number 8, frequently, regularly, often. 8-chi so'zimiz tez-tez, muntazam degan ma'noni anglatadi. Tom used Skype frequently because he was overseas. Tom Skype'dan tez-tez foydalandi, chunki u chet elda edi. We wrote letters to each other frequently. Biz bir-birimizga tez-tez xatlar yozib turdik. Word number 9. Give up. To quit or stop doing something. 9-chi so'zimiz to'xtatmoq, biror narsani tashlamoq degan ma'noni anglatadi. He was right to give up smoking. U chekishni tashlab to'g'ri qildi. I hope he won't give up playing football. Umid qilamanki, u futbol o'ynashni tashlab qo'ymaydi. Word number 10. Talent, a special ability or skill that someone has. 10-chi so'zimiz qobiliyat, mahorat. He has a talent with public speaking. Uning omma oldida gapirish qobiliyati bor. He has a talent for painting. Uning chiza olish qobiliyati bor.